Microsoft Bing Chat AI gets read aloud with more feature like ChatGPT Code Interpreter coming. Microsoft is rolling out a new server-side update for Bing Chat AI that turns on a new feature called Read Aloud. The Read Aloud feature is another way to access Microsoft ChatGPT-powered Bing reading an article to you on desktop your mobile, but that's all. The tech giant also plans to bring ChatGPT famous code interpreter to Copilot. The new Read Aloud feature is available to select user and it works even when you interact with AI in text. Currently, it doesn't highlight the words on the secret screen as it reads, but Windows latest understand this could change in the future. Unfortunately, this feature doesn't offer a way to change the speed or accent. So how do you see use read aloud in Bing Chat AI? You need to ask Bing anything and click on the speaker like icon by hovering over the answer. When Bing is reading aloud, you can also click the pause button and resume from where you left off. You can also send the conversation to your mobile device using the continue mobile button. Plugins, PDF uploads, and code interpreter coming to Bing Chat. Microsoft has already started rolling out plugin support for Bing Chat to some lucky user on desktop and mobile. With plugin support in Bing Chat, you can even turn off Bing search interaction and switch to a ChatGPT-like experience. Currently, Bing Chat AI uses a combination of its trained data and Bing search results to generate answers. However, when you turn off the search plugins, which is enabled by default, you can use Bing Chat more like ChatGPT. Our test showed that Bing Chat combines Microsoft in-house large language models GPT 3.5 and GPT-4 even when the search mode is turned off. Microsoft is also planning to enable support for code interpreter in Copilot, which could be similar to the one we have in ChatGPT. For those unaware, Code Interpreter is a Python-powered sandbox programming environment that can analyze code data, complex codes, and execute Python programs. It is a paid feature of ChatGPT, while Code Interpreter is coming to Microsoft Copilot. We don't know whether the feature will be paid or free. In addition to Code Interpreter, Microsoft has confirmed it's also working on PDF upload feature for Bing Copilot, allowing you to upload your documents to Bing Chat and interact with PDF.